Welcome back. So today we are dealing with some deer fly. We got more rain too. This was Monday. I put this here. We got some more rain last night probably. So 2 weeks ago I had a load of a 10-wheeler load of gravel delivered, and then we had some water bars put in, material added to this road. The washout that we had previously got filled in. It was all good. And then last week we had some heavy rain, and yeah, really messed this up. Unfortunately, I can't get material until next week, and it doesn't make sense to spend $400 to $600 for the guy to come out to scrape the little bit of material that's here back into this washout. So I'm going to take the Kubota and do what I can to fill in the worst of it in the really bad sections. So this road is passable. The road is passable, but it's a little sketchy. So my goal is to fill this in. I already filled in here a bit by just raking and a couple wheelbarrow loads, and then here I filled in a bit with the wheelbarrow, but it's a pain. So I'm gonna just throw shovelfuls in the Kubota, drive it up, dump it in, and rake it out, and we'll see how far we can get in the next couple hours. Well, one shovel down. Let's hope I don't break the other one. We got a newt. Really hope I didn't run him over. He looks okay, but that's cool. So we're gonna rake out the material that we got here so far, and we'll see where we're at and where we need to get to. It's a lot better, but I could definitely use one more load on the other side because it is kind of a bigger drop there. But in through here is okay. Maybe one load kind of right where you're sitting. I'm going to start moving material down below, and we'll come back to this in a little bit, but we'll try and make that down there better and safer to get by. knock this stuff down and see where we're at. Get a shovel from the woods over here. I'm gonna throw it into this ditch. All right, so we came downstream a bit to grab some road material because we were kind of running out of material up at the top. I think I need 2 to 3 loads to finish out that section that I was working on. Maybe once I get this out, I'll back up in there and get some more material out of there, but we'll see. I also can only do so much with what I got. And I'm running out of time for today, so let's keep going. Out, see where we're at. We're going to use the material on both sides of this to try and fill this gully in. Well, I raked all this and the GoPro didn't record it, so that's kind of a bummer, but it's been kind of raked in. It's better than it was. I'm gonna go see if I can get one more load for up there, and then I can always just leave a cone here. Almost out of time. I am pretty well out of energy because I've been at this for a couple hours now, and I don't do manual labor like this at all. I should. Maybe this will kick me into gear to actually start working out again, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just take a nap. That's all I've got in me for today to make this better and a bit more passable for the start of camp, and then hopefully early next week he can get over here and fix the road. If not, it'll be end of next week, but it's better than it was. And I used some of the material that was here, but there's not really any more material to pull from, for one, and two, I am absolutely beat. I haven't worked this hard in a while. It's also hot. It's not too hot, but it's humid. And yeah, my t-shirt's 2 tones. And these bugs are still really bad. And I'm done. Hopefully we don't get any more rain to wash out all this work I've done. I'm gonna get some more water because I am definitely dehydrated. Still sweating, so that's good, but dehydrated. And I'm gonna get this thing loaded up and get the heck out of here. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.